A1. Boy, they be hard as fuck. Hard as shit. Gucci socks stretch, they feel elastic. Oh, she so flexible, I think she do gymnastics. Small waist, fat, that's the whole package. Hey, I just passed her to the gang and I ain't capping. Here you go. And I just went and got a range just to have it. And most of my niggas gang bang, they think I'm slacking. They told me come to Louis for champagne, I had to pass it. I would've went, but your boy had to go and pick up some racks. Know it's on me, I can't let. I got pulled, that's a fact. Blowing cookie back to back. Get a brand, not the strand. Whole fit come from Japan. I'm nervous, ready to land. Cause if they find what's in my luggage, I'm going to the can. Off-white and V-Lone on me, I'm looking like a stand. Throw the sport on the twin turbo, he ain't even have a chance. Hey, I just took her exit, exclusively came from friends. I see a new bag in pursuit, I get it on demand. She ain't never seen 10 racks before, she acting like a fan. Yeah, they blowing pink, neat, sitting proper in my hand. EMG, easy money gang, we like a clan. Damn, put a nigga down for me, I swear I ain't playing. I ain't lying. I'm so legit, I ain't gotta do shit, I can get paid while I sit. You know you poppin' with your name in the mix. You know you up when you ain't got a rent. I paid for this shit. I'm so important, they wait on me when I'm running late. Always straight, I'm enabled, I'm on another phase. If I want it, I got it, it's gon' be mine today. She tryna fill on my private, we in the public space. Ooh, chill out, girl.